Hi guys, I know lately I haven't been really regular with my videos, but I promise you I'm gonna keep trying to give you more and more videos. So today we're gonna be talking about the new Garnier Ultra Blend shampoo range that just got introduced, like it just launched. You know, I have already used so much of it. Like I've been trying all of these. I know some of them are not my hair type, but I'm still trying them just to see how the formulation exactly works. It's like, you know, the shampoo itself is good, you know, it's not really just targets, but if it's just a good shampoo or it's not. So firstly we're going to talk about the Ultra Blend's Intense Repair Shampoo Soya Milk and Almonds. It is this white and golden bottle. I have to tell you guys, this one's my favorite out of the all four of them, because especially it repairs and restores damaged hair. I do not really have damaged hair, but you know, those days when I really curl or straighten my hair, they really go through all those heat treatments and it really kind of damages my hair temporarily. So I need something to repair it on a very temporary basis rather than, you know, repairing it on a long term. Because I think nothing can really repair your hair on a long term basis. You really need to keep repairing it, and this shampoo is so mild and it's paraben free, and also because it has milk in it, I know that it's extremely sensitive on damaged hair, and I feel like this is the perfect option for somebody who has damaged hair and needs that nourishment and replenishing over the period of time on a very constant basis. So yeah, I love it. It smells like, you know, coconut and you know, almonds mixed together. It's like really you know, very fresh. It smells really fresh. So yeah, this one's my favorite of the lot. Next up we have Ultra Blend's Nourishing Shine Shampoo. It's in the variant henna and blackberry, and it's for dull, dry and lifeless hair. Again, this is also paraben free. Guys, the thing with the henna really is, you know, what henna is known to do to your hair exactly is that it really adds the shine, it really adds to the smoothness, and it really makes your hair soft. And you know, it's one of those feelings where you touch your hair and you know, you just don't want to take your hand out of them. That's what henna does to your hair. I do not really know what this blackberry do to your hair, because I haven't really used many blackberry products. But when I was a kid, I used to use henna on my hair a couple of you know, times. I used it, so I know how henna works. So this shampoo is really good for somebody who lacks shine, who thinks their hair is like really dull and, you know, needs a little bit of jazz to it. So this is the shampoo for them. It's for the vibrant hair with brilliant shine. So unlike this is very like you know, a transparent bottle, like unlike this one. But even this is one of my favorites. I've been using this. It doesn't really do anything for your damage like split ends and dryness and everything, but it really adds to the outer shine and the entire look of your hair. So you know, if you're going out for a party or if you're going out, you know, for something that you really need your hair to shine, so I think this would be the perfect shampoo to use for the day. Next up we have Ultra Blend's Revitalizing Shampoo, 5 Precious Herbs. So guys, this shampoo promises to give you a very strong, you know, to give you the strong bouncy hair and healthy scalp. It says it has 5 precious herbs. Which are those 5 precious herbs? That is green tea, lemon, henna again, aloe vera and eucalyptus. So guys, this is like an everyday shampoo. It's not for a targeted problem or any primary or secondary concerns you have with your hair, but it's something that you can use every day. Like if you're somebody who goes to the gym on a regular basis and you need to you know, wash your hair on alternative days or maybe on a daily basis, and you need something mild but that, you know, it still cleanses your scalp and gives you like a really healthy hair, this one is the one for you. And next up we have Ultra Blend's anti-hair fall shampoo. Okay, so anti-hair fall shampoo, I haven't really tried this on because I do not have hair fall or dandruff or any of those sorts of problems. So I don't really use those shampoos that, you know, are made to help you out with that. But yeah, I made my mom try this out and she's pretty much used it. I can make out by the weight of it. It's made up of royal jelly and lavender. Now, as you guys know, lavender is known for being a very aromatic ingredient. It's really one of the soothing fragrances to have in your skincare and hair products. So this helps you for breaking of hair or for the hair which are prone to fall. It strengthens hair and reduces hair fall. So when my mom used it, she has been like having this hair fall problem for like a couple of months now, and she tried quite a few products and nothing really has helped her out. But yeah, this shampoo did make a difference. It does not, it's not like you're gonna use it and you're not gonna have hair fall from tomorrow. It will go off by time. If you like keep using this, it might get cured. But it's again, for something like, if you're having so much hair fall and you start using it evidently will reduce, and that's what happened with her as well. Also, other than that, it gives a very, very nice volume to your hair. Now, for people who have hair fall, you cannot get back those hair that you've lost instantly. But then you can definitely make up for it by having volumizing, in like products on your hair, which like really gives you some volume. So it gives the illusion of more bouncier and fuller scalp. Like, it really compensates for the loss of the hair that goes in the hair fall. So yeah, this shampoo really helps with that. It really gives you volume. It definitely helps you with your hair fall on some level. It's not a medicinal remedy for hair fall, but it's a very natural and organic way to cure it. If you keep using this over a period of time, I'm sure it is going to do wonders for your hair. So speaking of the entire Ultra Blends range by Garnier, I know a lot of you are familiar with Garnier Fructis and other Garnier shampoos and products that are available in the market. When I got this lot and I was trying that, I shared it with my friends, and I got a lot of people saying that, I used Garnier Fructis back in the day and it's not that good, and then I don't think I'm going back to Garnier for my hair at least. So, I had this thing for them. See, every brand, comes out with products, and it's not the best products all the time, and sometimes it doesn't work, but then sometimes they come out with products that really, really work. And I feel Garnier has really, really put everything into this range of shampoos because it's the best. I mean, I myself personally didn't think it's gonna be so good. Like, even I had that impression about the Garnier shampoos since I've used Fructis already, and didn't work for my hair personally. But when I tried them, I really know why I have sat down here talking good things about it, because I really felt that they are very nice and people really need to know that they are. So yeah, I think you should definitely give it a go. If you have a problem like a dandruff or something, then you're definitely going to stick with one shampoo throughout. But if you have something like you need some shine, you need bouncy hair, you need volume, and you need to repair them, you've gone under some kind of heat products on your hair, like heated treatments on your hair, then these are the shampoos you need to go for. They're really, really budget friendly, guys. I mean, this travel size bottle is what, like 55 rupees. I think it's really affordable, and for the thing it does to my hair, I mean, I absolutely love it. I have used this one, and I can't tell you how much I'm loving my hair, especially in this rainy season when I don't know why my hair just does not behave. So yeah, I am absolutely loving these shampoos, and I would totally recommend them to you guys, and you should definitely give them a go and let me know what you think about them and everything, and I'll see you next time. Bye.